Is Apple about to drop a surprise iPhone again? Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. iPhone 16e was launched last year in February, so fans are now wondering if the iPhone 17e could land any day now. In fact, one fresh rumor claims Apple may unveil it later this month for the fans on a budget. Here's everything so far that may show up this year. Multiple reports say the iPhone 17e will finally get Magsafe, meaning magnetic chargers and snap-on accessories. That feels like an overdue upgrade and an easy way for Apple to sell more accessories. This one's looking very likely. Or maybe a dynamic island. Some trusted leakers say yes, others say no. Apple has slowly pushed dynamic island down the lineup, but it's still unclear if the 17e makes the cut. But that's not guaranteed. Multiple insiders point to the iPhone 17e using Apple's A19 chip, matching the standard iPhone 17. This one might actually happen. One source teased a design refresh, but others shut it down. Expect it to look a lot like the iPhone 17. It's going to be clean and familiar. Other leaks suggest iPhone 17e will be stuck at 60 Hz. No smooth scrolling, no always-on display. Apple's saving the good stuff for pricier models. Plus, there would only be one camera. Leaks suggest a single rear lens, which is fine for everyday shots, but still not enough. And last, leaks suggest that this will all come on February 19th, exactly 1 year after the 16e. The timing makes sense, but Apple usually launches phones earlier in the week, not Thursday. How many of them can actually be true? Let us know in the comments, like and share the video, subscribe to GadInsider, and press the bell icon so you never miss any update.